Hey guys, it's PC Parts here. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to build 15,000 rupees PC with included monitor. For the motherboard I choose MSI H61M/P20G3 board. It supports up to 16 GB of DLSS3 RAM. For the I/O it has 6 USB ports, USB 2. For video out it has VGA and DVGA. For the processor I choose Intel Pentium G2030 dual core processor, clock speed 3 GHz. For the RAM I used Corsair 4 GB DLSS3 RAM, clock speed up to 16 MHz. For the cabinet I used Eyeball i612 with included 250 watts power supply. For front I/O it got 4 USB 2.0 and audio and mic jack. For the hard disk I used Western Digital 320 GB hard disk. For the monitor I used Acer P166HQL 15.6 inches monitor, maximum resolution of 13 by 66 by 768.